Morning tubers, this is JD with Keys to Living Outdoors, and I just want to give you a little video. I normally don't do these, but let me just give you a quick little tour of our RV. This is a Coast Cascade 2018, and I know you hear the background a humming noise. I would hope you hear it. So I just wanted you to know that that is not the onboard generator, but it's actually a smaller generator that's running our AC and running our entire rig. And it is a Honda 2000 on eco mode. So let's take a look at this and explain what's going on here. Alright YouTubers, this is JD, and this is a little different video, but I just wanted to show you something. So here's our Dometic 11,000 BTU running at 78. You can see that it's on. It's just a quick little video of our RV here. One of these days I'll go ahead and do a full video layout. Wanted to show you what we are running it on. For those of you that have the Honda 2000. And believe it or not, it is on eco mode. The reason for that is because we have the Easy Air connected to our air conditioner, and so it drops down the amperage where a 2000 can go ahead and run it. So there you go. So for those of you who are wondering, 2000 will run in 11,000 BTU air with Easy Air installed without a problem, even on eco mode. Okay tubers, hope this helps you. Take care. JD out.